We all know that lungs are the primary organs of the respiratory system. Actually, not only in human but also in some animals, including fish and some snails. So, hello friends, this is Shri. So, today I am going to share with you about lung infections and its cure. Let's get into the video. So, through the lungs and respiratory system, we used to breathe. So we can inhale oxygen and exhale CO2. This is called respiration. So we have studied in our kiddie schools. Hope you all remember. So this lungs has some infection. There are three types of infections which cause lungs infection. So one is bronchitis, second is pneumonia, third is bronchitis. These are usually caused by virus, bacteria, or fungus. These three infections may take us to a death position too, so that we have to be careful in handling these things. So before it comes, we have to be precautionary. So moving on to the bronchitis. So the bronchitis has a tube which carry the air to and from lungs. It is also caused by a viral respiratory infection. So it is a serious disease which makes us difficult in breathing. So if anyone suffers from this type of thing, so do consult doctor definitely. So to avoid any risk factors, we must take a doctor consultation definitely. So I will tell you the symptoms. So the symptoms are not a normal cough. It is a different cough and fatigue. There will be shortness in breathing, so slight fever and just comfort. So now moving on to the second infection, pneumonia. So you may all know that this is also one of the type of causes which affects the lungs. So it is also caused by virus, bacteria and fungus. This pneumonia affects air sacs that may filled with fluid or pus. It was formed by the small food materials or any small fluid which goes into the air sac and that form as a pus. So it makes difficulty while breathing. Actually, this pneumonia is life-threatening infection for all. Actually, most of the infants suffers from this and over 65 years people also. So be careful while you find the symptoms and do consult doctor for this also. It may lead to death also because in any of the patients like Parkinson's, Alzheimer. So third one is bronchiolitis. It is a common lung infection in young children and infants. So it causes inflammation and coagulation in small airways of the lung. And as I said, it is always caused by the virus. So this is very common in three infections. But this condition is most commonly occurs during the winter months alone, and also it starts like a normal cold and it then progress like coughing, wheezing and sometimes difficulty in breathing. So symptoms are maximum same way, but from week to a month the symptoms may change, aggravate. Okay friends, now these three infections can be treated in home itself. So now let's see the common solution for these three infections. So friends, whenever if you're coughing, it may be a normal cough or a severe cough, just do one thing. Do salt water gargling early in the morning and evening time. And that too with the warm water so that it will be very easy for the throat. And second solution is drink hot peppermint tea or anything related to peppermint. You can add in water or you can just put it in lemon juice with honey, or you can just simply with milk, anything which you like the way you can drink it. And third one is if you have fever, just take pain reliever. so that it will help easily. And also have some healthy drink like a soup. It may be vegetable soup or non-veg, anything, but it must be in lukewarm. And if you feel short of breath, just drink a cup of coffee and just sit in front of fan so that you will get some relaxation. Then the final one is, if you feel like, hope friends you like this video. We'll see you in another video. Thank you friends.